Just these two items can make your home a living hell. Your AC is not turning on despite being connected to power source. Different things you need to check. Just about 2 or 3 things you need to check. Number 1, you need to check the fuse that's connected from the cable to the indoor unit. You need to check that fuse on the plug. Number 2, you need to check your breaker. Either you have to reset your breaker to make it come up, or you check your breaker. If it is faulty, you replace it. Just replace the worn out parts. That's the 2 things. Just these 2 items can make your home a living hell. Just these 2 items can make your home a living hell. Why am I saying so? You have an air conditioner and it's not coming on. Despite that you've plugged it to a power source, it's not still coming on. Inside of this stuff, you have a fuse. You have a cartridge fuse inside here, and this fuse can disconnect itself or can unfuse itself, causing your AC not to come on. So what you have to do is to open here, replace the fuse with another good one, then try to plug your AC back to the power voltage or power source. Just that alone can make your home a living hell, and you feel your AC has gotten bad, and this and this, that and that has happened to your air conditioner. Meanwhile, you have nothing like that. Secondly is this stuff. This stuff is called a star block fuse. This stuff is called a star block fuse, and it's been designed to trip itself when it experiences an excess current. When it experiences an excess current, it trips itself or it disconnects itself. It requires for you to come and relock it back again for it to start working. So if you try turning on your AC, either you've checked the fuse here, the fuse is okay, you've plugged it back to the power source, and the AC is not still coming on, I would suggest you check this, controlling your air condition. This is about 20 amps, but what you need in your air condition should be about 32 to 64 amps. 32 to 64 amps. But with this, your AC can still break down without it working. So you have to check all of this. You come back from where you went to, or you intentionally switch off your AC using your remote to switch off your AC. You come back, try turning it on as usual, but you will observe that it's not coming up. I have given you a secret for you to do it all on your own. This is a DIY system. You have to do it all on your own. But if it passes what I have just shown you, then you have to contact a technician. You have to contact a professional technician to come and check it up for you. But outside that, this can stop your AC from coming on. This also can still stop your AC from coming on. So you have to know which you're actually working with. If I had my time, I would have opened this spot to show you the fuse I'm talking about. The fuse you have here is a cartridge fuse. They call it cartridge fuse. So this fuse here can get bad and it blows off, and you have to replace it with a good one. From this fuse, that's where you have a voltage source down to your AC, down to your indoor air condition. Now if this part is working perfectly, then you have to check this. If this is also already in contact, as you've seen, then your AC is not still coming up, contact a good technician for your job. Contact a good technician for your job. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channels, and give a thumbs up if you like my video. My next video, I'll be posting a video on why your AC is dripping water in your home. So you have to control it yourself, or you can control it yourself, or you contact a technician for that. But know what's happening. Thank you. See you in my next video.